Hello and welcome everyone to my career path presentation. My name is Bhairavi and I am from Bombay, India. I love my city, as you can see from the picture how beautiful it is. In my career path presentation, I will be talking about my schooling, my university, my extracurricular activity, my profession, which is teaching, and my postgraduate degree and the degree I am currently pursuing from a Canadian college. Speaking about my academics, I completed my schooling from Vidyaniketan, which is in Mumbai. Then I completed my bachelor's in economics from University of Mumbai. My thirst for knowledge extends beyond my academics, and hence, since my high school, I have been learning French from the reputed Alliance Francaise. Alliance Francaise is an international organization that helps to promote the French language and Francophone culture around the world. Soon after my graduation, I got various job offers to teach English, economics, and French. Hence, I started teaching in private classes for almost 3 years. In lockdown, when everything was shut down due to COVID, I opened my own institution called Namaste Foreign Languages, where I taught French for more than 300 students all over the world. Studying economics and teaching the same as well as French language exposed me to the world of human resources, which piqued my curiosity. I got my admission in Conestoga College to pursue higher studies in the field of human resources. I completed my postgraduate diploma in human resource management and currently I am studying in career development professional from the same institution. The reason I chose the career development profession is because I love to help younger candidates and I love to analyze them to give them proper guidance. Moreover, I want to coordinate activities that addresses students' educational, academic, career, personal and social needs while encouraging this full development of every student. As an adult, I understand the importance of mental health. Hence, I want to focus not only on academics but also on their mental and emotional state. This will be my priority. Young minds need proper guidance that will make them potent to study in society and make a name for themselves. And someone like me who loves being with children would try in succeeding, making them confident and mentally prepare for the societal hardships. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.